few of you asking for this for a while, so I'm gonna do my best. You know, I'm by myself, so I can't exactly have like some people where they get a buddy to film them from another car, you know, and get my whole car. So, but I got my GoPro, I got my suction cup mount. Gonna go ahead and stick it onto the car, and let's see what we get. Hopefully it sounds as good over the camera as it does, you know, to me in the car. Shit, I'm hoping it wasn't too wobbly. I know this isn't the best stable situation here that I got. Too many extensions on the GoPro to get it to where it sits. But hopefully it comes across okay, at least with the sound. But yeah guys, there it is. The Cobra PRL intake. Sucking up some air. Alright guys, so hopefully that sounded good. I won't know until I get home and I start editing the video. But hopefully it wasn't too much wind noise, and hopefully you were able to hear, you know, the intake working. And yeah, so hopefully, you know, it sounded just as good as it did to me here in the cabin. I'm actually gonna do another little drive around, but with the GoPro here inside the car with me, so you can, you know, hear from inside the car, and hopefully, you know, so you guys can hear from inside the car, and that way you can see the difference, you know, between being out by the wheel there and being inside the cabin, what you're actually gonna hear. So yeah guys, let's go. Let me see how I'm gonna do this since I've got a shift. Not to get so much wind noise. God, I hope you guys can hear that, because I hear it perfectly and it sounds great. Even with the, you know, the windows completely closed, you still hear it some. So hopefully, you know, the camera can pick it up, and you guys can hear it too. But here we go. Let's try it with the windows closed. our little drive. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all the support. Thanks for all of you that have been subscribing and sharing and liking my videos. It means a lot to me. I got a lot more videos coming. Next one's probably going to be another install video, so stay tuned for that. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a great day.